Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm excited to show you how you can actually make some extra cash just by texting, no matter where you are in the world. Yep, you heard that right. I used internet to find this awesome website. And the best part is, it doesn't matter if you're in America, Europe, Asia, or Africa. You can still get in on the action. Before diving in, I checked out some reviews of the site to see what people had to say and how reliable it is. I wanted to know if it's worth your time or just another scam. One review really stood out. I love working for Text 121 Chat. I can earn great money while balancing my family life. The management is super friendly, and it honestly feels like being part of one big family. I couldn't imagine working anywhere better. If that doesn't speak to how trusted this site is, I don't know what will. Alright, let's get into it. Our first website is CyberFriends. Here you can start receiving video calls from people all over the world who want to connect and chat. All you have to do is sign up, update your profile picture, and wait for approval. Once you're in, just list your interests using hashtags, and people will find you based on those interests. It's that easy. The requirements: 1. No degrees or certificates are needed. 2. You just need to be over 18. 3. And most importantly, be friendly. You'll get paid just for chatting with people from different parts of the world. It's simple and straightforward. So, why not give it a shot? You can sign up at CyberFriends and start making some money. Next up, we have Texting Factory. The feedback on this one is pretty positive, with users saying that the jobs are fair. You'll basically be responding to messages from customers about all sorts of topics, whether it's everyday life, business, work, or relationships. You can earn anywhere from $300 to $400 a week, and if you put in the effort, you could even hit $800 or more. The best part? Getting started is a breeze. It only takes a couple of minutes to sign up. Once you're approved, you're good to go. All you need is a decent internet connection, a laptop, computer, or tablet, and you're set. Plus, you'll need to be fluent in English since a lot of the conversations happen in that language. Now let's talk about ChatRecruit. This site pays you just for chatting with people. For example, if you start chatting with someone on the platform, you could make around $21 an hour. If you're really motivated, working over 10 hours a day could earn you $200 plus daily. Just make sure you're at least 18 years old to join. Then, there's FriendPC. This one is great because you get paid to chat or talk with clients. You can set your own rates, and people choose you based on those rates. It's super simple. Sign up, start chatting, and watch the money roll in. If you're consistent, you could be looking at $1,000 or more a month. The key is to engage with people and provide good service. Moving on to Friendly. This site is perfect if you enjoy chatting and building relationships online. The cool thing is, there's no pressure to meet in person. You can chat or even have video calls with people and get paid for it. The pay ranges from $40 to $60 per hour, so working 8 hours a day could bring in $1,000 plus a week. It's an easy way to earn, without even leaving your house. Last but not least, we've got Text 121 Chat. This site offers different kinds of jobs. You can be a bingo operator if you know another language, or work as an operator where you master texting and calling skills. You just need to be 18 or older, and the pay starts at $1 per hour. I know many of you have been watching videos like this for a while but haven't taken the plunge. Don't be afraid to give it a try. Sure, success doesn't happen overnight. It might take a week, a month, or even a bit longer, but that's okay. What matters is that you take the first step. I've checked out reviews, and some of these websites are definitely legit and can help you make real money. So why wait for tomorrow or next week? Now's your chance to start something new. Go for it. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Weenboy, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. See you in the next one, and good luck. Smile.